Welcome back to today's video on robot scalping gold trend. Is listed on the MT5 market by a developer named Ginato in Indonesia, and right now it sits at around $55. The product page also refers to it as King Gold 3.40 for MT5, that is MetaTrader 5, describing it as a gold USD micro scalper. And before we dive into today's EA, you can download the free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. And let's start with what the developer actually puts on the page. The description is pretty short and straightforward. They say is an expert advisor designed specifically for gold, optimized for small lot trading, and focus on short-term entries under suitable market conditions. I will move over to his recommended settings, where you see the symbol recommended is gold USD. Time frame of 1 is M1 to M5. Lot size 0.01. Account type hedging, minimum deposit from $300 for margin safety. Now they make it clear that the results you see in the strategy test are for reference only, as real trading can differ because of spread, slippage, commissions, execution speed, liquidity, and changing market conditions. There's also a standard risk disclaimer, as all EAs have. Start trading involves risk. The EA can experience drawdown, especially during high volatility or unfavorable market regimes. So test some demo first and use proper risk management on live accounts. Support is handled through the MQL5 comment and messaging system. That's pretty much the core of what they claim. No long list of complicated strategies, no big promises about win rates or profit factors. Just a micro scalper for gold on a lower time frame that looks for short-term opportunities when conditions are right. And before we move over to the backtest, let's see what the developer shows for their own backtest. See the gold USD custom period 1 year, modeling everything based on real tick. And let's see the equity curve. See steady upward climb, some drawdowns and dips, but overall still climbed high from 299 to 1654 on the curve. Same over here from 300 to 2200. And let's see the claim from 2nd January 2025 to 22nd December 2025. The deposit of $300. The profit factor is at 1.44, and they had a net profit of $1,894. The maximum balance drawdown at 19.40 and the maximum equity drawdown at 21.62. Let's see whether it matches up with our backtest. I ran this on gold USD, and let's compare it my backtest to the sparse claims on the page. Testing on gold USD M5 using everything based on real ticks such as they did. I use a 1:500 leverage and a $10,000 deposit. Over this period, my net profit was at $4,187 approximately. So about a 46% growth. Uh Profit factor is at 1.24 compared to theirs of 1.44 is partially matches with decent number. And recovery factor is at 0.7479 and theirs at 4.95. Now ours is not as exaggerated as theirs with an initial deposit of 300 giving a net profit of 1,890. Ours came down to 4,000, not double our initial deposit, just 40% or 41%. Overall win rate was roughly 77%. And looking at our drawdown, we see is way higher than what they showed us at 32% and 37% for equity marks. If we move over to the equity curve, you can see steady growth, sharp dips, steady growth, followed by sharp dips as it tries to consolidate, and then it falls back as it rises again. The equity curve looks okay, steady growth overall, with several clear drawdown periods where the line drops sharply before recovering. These signs are with the developers all know that drawdowns can happen, especially in volatile conditions. A few practical things stand out from running it. The EA seems built around short-term directional moves on gold, and the parameters that control how it detects those moves and manage position size matter a lot. Because average losses run bigger than average wins, a string of losers can eat into the equity faster than the win rate might suggest at first glance. So one noting that gold can also spike hard around news. So any system trading the lower time frames is going to feel that. Honestly, this one is aimed at traders who already know how gold behaves on M5 and are comfortable with drawdowns in the 30% range while chasing modest returns. If you're looking for a low drawdown prop firm style performance or something completely hands off, this probably isn't the best fit. The results are based on historical data, and as the developer themselves point out, live trading introduces extra variables. If you found this useful, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and drop a comment telling me which EA you would like me to review next. And don't forget to grab that free robot with all the built-in indicators and candlestick patterns using the link in the description. Thanks for watching, trade safe, and as always, I'll see you in the next video.